When I was just a tech newbie, I bought my first Raspberry Pi 3B Plus for $45 in a small store in Paris. And I was about to create my first DIY electronics project. Since this day, the development cycle of a DIY project hasn't really changed for me. First, online search, picking some tutorials about what we are trying to do. Secondly, procrastinating. Yeah, that basically takes most of my time. Then, set up the system on the board, such as Linux for SBC. It might be funny the first time, but it becomes very tedious and boring when we don't have a decent PC or software tools to work with. Next step, and probably the most funny part, assemble the robot and write code to get it working. And the last part, connect a wireless controller eventually. There are various solutions, but most often they reveal to be complex, ugly, or just not scalable. I mean, if you change your board type or your communication protocol, you'll have to rewrite a bunch of code from scratch. So we ask ourselves, what if we could remove boring and repetitive tasks to keep only funny part of the development cycle? And what if all of this could be done from a phone, freeing us from any computers? So we thought, and we made it. Let me introduce CODDE Pi, the all-in-one app to create and control your next DIY project. Just for you to know, CODDE stands for Control-Oriented Design and Development Environment, but nobody cares because it doesn't matter. Anyway, just remember, CODDE Pi is basically an IDE, but better and on phone. You can write code using Python, microblocks, or Rust. You can design your electronic assembly using a port of FreeSync for phone. Also, you can design your virtual controllers and then play with. But my favorite feature is definitely the NABI connection with robots. I mean, no need to execute Nmap anymore on your office network. Once your work is done and you're proud of it, share your project with the community. It's a place where you can find inspiration and help each other. So, what's next? CODDE Pi is fully open source and already available on Play Store, but in a very early version. So we need you to continue opening DIY world to phone users and mobile tech enthusiasts. So like, share, subscribe, and join us on Kickstarter this summer to get exclusive perks for the launch. See you!